This video will explain how to add key fobs to access and control the microIQ lock. 3 key fobs can be added to the lock: a blue control key fob, a supervisor key fob, and a user key fob. You can add a control key fob to use instead of a master code. The same control key fob can be used for as many locks as desired. To begin, press and release the program button and enter the master key code. While the red LED is lit, point the key fob at the program key of the lock as shown and press the center button of the key fob. The green LED on the lock will flash as the lock reads the key fob code. Once the key fob is learned into the lock can now be accessed with the key fob. Simply point the key fob at the lock under the program button and press the center button of the key fob as shown. You can easily add a supervisor code with the control key fob. First, press and release the program button on the lock. Next, point the control key fob at the program key of the lock and press the center button. The red LED on the lock will illuminate, and then enter your supervisor code and press the lock program button again. It is simple to add a supervisor key fob with the control key fob. First, press and release the program button. Press the center button of the control key fob at the program button. Point the supervisor key fob at the program button of the lock and press the center button of the key fob. The green LED will flash, indicating that the key fob has been learned. A user code can also be added by using a supervisor key fob. Press and release the lock program button 2 times and point the supervisor key at the lock program button and press the center button of the key. Then enter the desired user code and press the lock program button. The LEDs will flash sequentially for 3 seconds. To add a user key fob using the supervisor key fob, press and release the program button 2 times. Next, point the supervisor key at the program button of the lock and press the center button of the key fob. You can also delete the user code and user key fob with the supervisor key fob. Press and release the program key 2 times. Point the supervisor key fob at the lock program button and press the center button of the key fob. Enter 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and press the program button again. The key fobs each have a unique code which is engraved on the back of the key. Customers can order as many key fobs keyed alike as needed. TriTech can produce as many key fobs keyed alike as the customer requires. In this example, a single supervisor code is controlling multiple user codes. You can also have a supervisor code for each lock if desired. At any time, you can add a key fob to use along with the supervisor and/or user keypad code. Alternately, supervisor and user access can be controlled only with the key fob. microIQ, intelligent locks for the workspace.